Do you want to know how I got my eyelashes looking from this to this? Just keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Sharanya and welcome back to my channel Wildflower Vibes. So I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite mascaras of all time, and it is, drum rolls, Honest Beauty Extreme Length Mascara with Lash Primer. That came out wrong. Honest Beauty Extreme Length Mascara with Lash Primer. So this is a Honest Beauty product. I am not sure when they released it, probably like 2 years ago or 3 years ago, and have been using this since 2 or 1.5 years ago, I think, and it's been one of my favorite mascaras if I want like the drama in my lashes. So this mascara retails for $16.99 US on the Target website, and also if I see on the Honest Beauty website, it also retails for $16.99. And when I bought this, I think I bought this from Amazon.com, and it was on sale for, I should say, $14.99 or close to that amount. So this is cruelty free, PETA certified. Key ingredient is jojoba esters. They are known to moisturize and condition, so definitely this is good for your health of your lashes. Okay, so the key benefits of this mascara according to their website is lifts, lengthens, volumizes coat by coat, defines and enhances for eyes that pop. Okay, and this is made without paraben, no paraffins, no synthetic fragrances, no silicones, no mineral oil. So this comes with a lash primer side, which is white in color, and I like the packaging as well. It's very long though, but since it has two products, it justifies the length. So this is the mascara wand looks like. Right, so this is, I always get confused on how to open this. So in this, I kind of open this way, and then this side, you usually expect the mascara wand to be on this side, but in this, the mascara wand is on the other side. I think they have 2 ml of the lash primer and 0.2 or 6 ml of the mascara side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to demo this for you. So I will curl my lashes first. With any mascara, I usually curl my lashes, but I have used this mascara without curling my lashes as well, and it still works great. So once I do that, I'm gonna apply the lash primer. So they say like 10 to 20 seconds dry period between the lash primer and the actual mascara. So now I'm going to apply the lash primer. Welcome to my mascara face. So kind of coated the lashes. With that, I'm going to dip again to apply to the other lash. So the wand on these both are plastic wands. There's one more thing I wanted to say. Now I'm going to let the lashes dry a little bit. I'm going to show the size of this mascara. So if this is my hand, it almost is as long or as big as my hand. So I think I can apply the mascara onto this side. So the mascara, if you look, it's not wet or dry anything. Maybe it dried up a little bit, so I've been using this one for months, like this exact tube, so might be drying up a little bit. So this is with one coat. The difference kind of makes my eye pop. So now I'm gonna apply it to the other lashes. So I've done both of my lashes right now, so look at the dramatic effect it's giving me. So now I'm going to let this dry down a little bit so that I can apply the second coat. So now it looks like it's almost dried, so I'm going to go with a second coat. So now I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line as well, just to show you the effect that it gives. So the first pros is that it's in the mid range when it comes to the price. This is $16.99, not this is $16.99, not like $24 or $20 like other mascara, high-end mascaras are. Definitely in the mid range. This, and also you're getting two products in one, like you're getting lash primer on the side and the mascara on the side, so it kind of justifies the price for sure. So this is definitely volumizing, lengthening, gives a nice curve to the lashes. This also defines my eyes. It's very it's not too clumpy. It's not giving me like spider lashes or anything, like clumpy lashes. It's giving me enough separation between the lashes. I have noticed that there is little to no smudging, little to no flaking at all. And I'm not sure if this is sweat proof, but definitely holds up in the heat a little bit, but it's definitely not waterproof at all. And yeah, that is all the pros I have. So I really like the effect that it gives me. It kind of opens up my eyes. Also, I don't have a lot of lashes. I don't have long lashes especially, so this kind of gives that lengthening effect to my lashes to make it look or make it appear as they are long, so kind of coats it very nicely. This is the close-up. So I don't really have any cons with this, except that since this is like a plastic wand on here, you have to be really careful when you're applying because they kind of poke, like possibility of getting poked. So you just have to be really careful when you're applying. You don't focus anywhere else, just focus on the application for a poke-free experience. Hope you guys like this review. I am planning to do more review of other mascaras and other eyeliners that I have. Please give a like button if you did like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more videos from me. Keep coming back to my channel for more videos, more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care, namaste.